Okay, we've got another swarm. Wow. Look at that. Where are they headed? Looks like they're headed up to that tree. Wow. It looks like they came from that box right there. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna walk right through them. Wow, look at that. It's kind of crazy looking at a swarm. Like if I zoom out, it's harder to see these things. But look at that. Gosh, so crazy. They're sort of coalescing in this area. Sometimes bees will swarm and their queen won't make it out of the hive and they'll go back. So the process for preparing for a swarm for bees in most cases is they don't feed the queen for about a week and she shrinks till she's small enough where she can fly. Otherwise she's too fat, she's too heavy to fly. And so the queen has to make her voyage with them. And you can see they're starting to land on these little branches here. And so the queen's probably landed somewhere up there and they're all gonna land around her and like form a big ball. And then I'm gonna get up on a ladder and I'm gonna cut that branch and I'm gonna put them into a bucket or a box and then I'm gonna transfer them into a hive. Now it's gonna hurry up and wait. Okay, here's from a different angle. It looks like they're actually farther over in the neighbor's yard. So I may have to go to that neighbor's house and get them from there.